Hello everyone, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back to my channel. I invite you to crochet such cute, interesting flower. I used easy to make methods. It was created over 10 years ago. I'm using them anywhere, such a brush or clip for hair, or like a decoration in your house. They can be used as appliques on everything from hat to shoes. Such crochet flowers can be strung together as a bunting, placed on the table as a coaster, and used in large-scale work of art, including yarn bombing. Also, they can be a middle part of big flower, like this one. I did it more 10 years ago. This is one of my popular crochet flower pattern. The link on it you will see in the description below the video. So you can take any flower and put such motif instead of bead, like this one. Please don't be afraid to experiment. Thank you so much for crocheting with me. And let's get started crocheting cute flower. For this project you need to have some tools. I'm using steel crochet hook 2mm and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And also I put a bead in the middle of my cute flower. To crochet such simple flower, make a chain of 5. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My ring is ready. Make 10 single crochet into the ring. Make a chain to bring up the yarn and make single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have done 10 single crochet into the ring, and to complete this round, work with a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. Round 1 is ready, so number of stitches should be the same as you would like to do petals. Crochet round 2, it is going to be a round of petals. For the first petal, make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I pull a little bit my working loop, then yarn over the hook around the chain and make single crochet over the chain. Let's repeat again. Yarn over the hook the chain, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. 1 In total it should be 15 such simple stitches. Let's make the second one. 2, I pull them, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have done all 15 stitches. Now I move my loops along the hook. I remind you I have made 15 stitches. And now to complete the first petal, yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook like this. Make a chain. My simple petal is almost ready. Then insert the hook into the next stitch. Make a slip stitch. So my first petal is ready. In total it should be such 10 simple petals. The number of petals should be the same as stitches in the first round. Now I will begin the next petal, and you should continue by yourself. Make a chain of 7 for the next petal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you should crochet 15 stitches. It should be single crochet over the chain, not finish. So yarn over the hook over the chain. Make a chain. This is the first one. Pull a little bit. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. I'm about to complete the last petal. I have got 10 petals. Let's look at my petals. This is the 10th petal. Here is my slip stitch. I insert the hook into the slip stitch. Now I insert the hook into the same stitch that slip stitch did into. Make a slip stitch. You can cut off the yarn, and my flower is almost ready. I secured the yarn to make a chain. I pull a little bit and my flower is done. I straighten up my petals. Also, the center of this flower can be decorated with bead. My 10 petal flower is completely ready. For this flower I used 100% mercerized cotton and crochet hook 2 mm. but you can use any yarn and any crochet hook. Let's look at the back side. It can be as a separate element or motif, or it can be part of big project. Here what I have. I remind you, each petal consists of 15 stitches. So I remind you, this method was created over 10 years ago by me, and you can use it anywhere, such a brush or clip hair, or like a decoration in your home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media. You can use such method to create earring, necklace, border trim or edge for your project. It looks very beautiful. So it was Elena Rugal. Thank you so much for watching, and crochet with me and learn more. Bye!